And now, because you go missing, you go to school.
It's a snap.
Are you going to say it again? Your damn face. You out of order, bitch you. Eh? Your mama run down to England, left you. You put on my damn teeth in the prison. And you come to me say you want to slap me?
Grandpa, me say me have a snap you.
Don't tell me that box say come out of my car, man. Come out and go on back to your grandmother. Come out.
Grandpa, you understand me? Say
Me don't understand you. How me if you understand you want to come slap me? Where you slap me for?
Me never say me have a snap your grandpa, not slap you.
They're not nice thing you say?
No, grandpa. Alright,
Son, grandson.
Alright, let me.
If you say you want to slap me, where you want to slap me for? And you keep on and say, what you have against me? Eh? And then you run your papa go in prison. You hear me say? Your damn papa's a blasted thief.
Are your jeans?
You understand? You understand?
Are your
you
jeans?
Blasted for my jeans. Him is a damn jacket. Jacket.
I just wanna watch. Watch this already. Yeah, them all kill him that and him kill off everybody. Man shoot up the whole of them. Everybody get killed off. Oh God, him dead. Watch out. Move your ass, boy, Jack. Yeah, ball out, Jack. Before you share the piece of board with him. He woulda dead. He woulda dead. Oh. So who that them kidnap now? Or the drug lord's son. Also, him have to go save him before them kill him. Oh. And in their prison. Me watch the new movie with the whole I star them. With the big man, the tall man, and him chopped in and him thick. And him have a ball head and it shine. And them a drive the whole I car them. Vin Diesel, yeah. Stop the noise now. Ciao.
How Jamaicans behave when Jehovah's Witness come to their home.
What a nice and decent Sunday evening, man. Lord, I must say Jehovah's Witness a come. I have to go hide. Who don't lock up everywhere? Percy, oi! Percy, lock off every light! Janet, oi, Janet, when they come at the door, tell them send me not there. Good afternoon, little girl. Is your mother around? Good afternoon. Mom is every time you say she not there.
In other news, isn't it just ironic how a few months ago an officer was caught doing police brutality and he said it tasted like rum and raisin, and now a shootout has occurred right beside Devon House. Our news team would like to send a big shout out to the cameraman who captured the footage. He didn't even shake or budge in the process. We were even wondering if it was Alcor that manufactured the car. In the video, we observed that a police officer was hiding behind a red Toyota car, and after interviewing the driver of the car, he told us that the officer was whispering to him to open the trunk. We then caught up with the police officer that was hiding behind the red car, and the officer told us that those were some false statements, and the reason why he didn't go closer is because he didn't have on a mask and he was trying to obey Bro God's corona protocols. While the JCF was there quelling the firefight, the taximen on scene turned into JDF because the U-turns that they made, we have to call those just disappear fast. And it would be unfair to wrap up the report without speaking about the police officer.
And me in a KFC drive through and I go look some food. So me shout you later, Zane. Ah, cool.
Thank you for making it KFC. May I take your order?
Yeah, me can get a meal deal, barbecue chicken, and what you want, baby?
I don't know what I want.
What?
I said I don't know what I want.
Jesus Christ, what do that girl, man?
Excuse me, who you calling a gal?
B, or if you say you want KFC, I don't know where you want from KFC. That makes sense to you?
What the fuck? Why are you shouting at me?
What you know? Me not have time for this. Talk fast, what you want?
I don't know.
Hello? Add the next barbecue meal deal to that for me, please.
You know I don't eat barbecue chicken.
Well, you're gonna meet today.
Does that complete your order?
Waste man alone save money. A real man give a man everything.
Right this way. But here I am, Biggie Mama. Right this way, follow me. Open night chop, Mama.
Hey boy, yes mommy. Me never tell you if you do your homework. Mommy, you said that me I do.
Well, me not hear no homework. Oh, mommy, oh, you hear homework? Oh, excuse me, you're a big man now. You back talk to me? No, mama, just shut up. So what? You know nothing to say now? No, you tell the Ross. Me not tell you for shut. You know what? Go for the belt. Go for the belt. But mommy and you. Father God help me, boy, still a talk. You know what? Nobody go for the belt. Go for the gun. Cause I can't take it no more.
How others give feedback at a wedding.
Beautiful wedding, gorgeous bride.
How Jamaicans give feedback at a wedding.
The baby mother there, you know. He might come. And when the person asks if anybody have any objection, me there wait for him to get up, you know. Me there wait for him to get up. You see the wedding dress? Yes, me did love the embroidery on her dress. The bride is a pretty girl. Mrs. The cake never tastes good at all. It look like them never grind up the fruit, add the wine, then add the flour. And Margaret did the cake and she right side of you. The bride shoes did look a bit too big. As she buy the shoes, pan I purchase, then take out the shoes. Then out comes the mother and the father for the groom of the year. You know why? Them not get along with the bride Mavis. Stop your eyes. What? Then the marriage now go last. Big wedding, small marriage. It's not her father walk her down the aisle. Mavis!
Nah, man. It's like my ugly or something, you know. Cause me seem to can't find a good woman. Me get the whole of the bad one, them. The dingbats, them, the bubble heads. What? Me can't get a good woman one night time, them. The done said them. Jesus Christ. I'm tell you about one. Me and this girl I chat for about 3 months now, and me just a find out say something no right up here, so. You know what time me get a little change in my pocket, so me say me a go up at embassy go look a visa. Fast forward, me get it 10 years last week. Last night, mama go look for me and tell me some bad mind and mean. Mr. Mama, what want me do? Oh, you get 10-year visa, you can't even give me 5. Me should have followed my mother and left you alone, make you go on your ways. Me know you don't want to come to nothing. Father God, you say if I 2 pencil and sharpen them on my teeth with me a little pitney, I am sorry. Forgive me now, Father. Me I beg you. Send a good woman my way, please and thank you.
Your life. Why you not like beard? What you talk about no mommy? You know beard from last week. I stay here and count up the days them. You count up the days them when you know beard? God, watch them make me done him. You count up how much gal now are you? You count up the damn day them when how much shit stain the day in your jaws when they little? You don't count that down. You count up how much money you carrying about in a play game with a batty man self. Eh? John, mommy, you know if you do the thing so. Both if I count up how much time you beard. Go wash your sour bars them, John.
Come here, come in from. Karim!
What me do? What me do?
Tanisha! Yeah, believe Tanisha!
What she do? What she do?
I got your man.
I'm going to do what?
I got. Karim, why man they again for your man?
Not if one drinks and I get.
You must get by your ass up with them. Oh, what's up with them, Karim?
That's how your chest high.
No, my darling, me love you still.
I love you, me find different man.
It's a kawa. Oh! Yeah, baby, Karim. Yeah, baby.